Yeah, there you go.
Tech wreck, time to get your tech wreck.
Tech wreck. Chicky.
Tech wreck. Time to get your tech wreck.
All right, Sanjay, Tech Rec time. What do you have for us this week?
So I got a little bit of an oddball thing.
Okay.
I don't think I've ever talked about like construction stuff, tech, but it's basically, I've been looking for a really good stud finder. I had one and I have one, but it's hard to always get it to like figure like where exactly is the stud. So I've been trying around different ones. I tried out, there's one from Wallabot, which is supposed to give you like a view into the wall. They're using like, I don't know, ultrasound sensors or something like that. I tried that out. Not happy with it.
Okay.
So I actually have now resorted to one that a contractor told me about, and I think it's actually fantastic. So this is the Franklin Sensors Pro Sensor M210 stud finder. And what's neat about this guy, if you're watching the video here, is it's got a line of LEDs across the top.
Yeah.
And so as it sees a stud, it will actually show you where it is and then show you the middle. And then it's also got this little thing here that tells you if there's electrical cable where you're covering this.
Yes.
And then to make it even a little bit better, built-in level. And then what's a little bit gimmicky to me is if you open it here, there's a pencil inside, but man, that pencil is hard as anything to get out of here.
That's funny.
But it's a really nice level and stud finder.
Okay.
And I've been using these where we've been hanging up some pictures, and I want to make sure like I'm dead on.
Yeah.
And, you know,
right.
The worst thing that happens is you drill a hole and you're getting just the edge of a stud.
Oh man.
And then the whole thing rips apart, and now you got a big giant hole in your drywall.
Yeah.
The stud is destroyed. It's a whole disaster. So
that's no good.
And it was worth getting something like this. This is around, I think it was around $50, which a little expensive for a stud finder, but I figure it's a one and done type of deal. These things are going to last forever unless you like totally destroy them. So
yeah, I love it.
Check it out if you're looking for a really good stud finder and you don't want to miss the mark. There you go. You like that? I just made that up. Yeah,
that was so terrible. I mean, it kind of hurt me a little bit. I'm not going to lie. Like,
I'm sorry about that.
It was a little bit painful.
It hurt me a little bit saying it too, because I was like, oh, this is too good to not say, but it's going to hurt. So there you go.
That's so good. Okay.
Talking about hurting, but maybe not. I don't know. Actually know what you're going to recommend. Right. What do you got for us this weekend?
I'm going to recommend the Yucca app. Have you seen this app?
I have not seen this app.
This app, you need this app. This app will help you eat more healthy. I think it also works on skin products. So here's what it is. It's a free app, and you grab the app and you're at the grocery store and you're looking at an item. You're like, I wonder how healthy this is. You grab the app, open it up, scan the barcode, and it gives you a score out of 100 of how healthy it is, first of all. So like, for example, I'm looking at organic almond milk that's unsweetened right now. It's 88 out of 100. It's excellent. It tells me it has no additives. If it has additives, I can go see what additives it has and what potential risk those additives could be to my health. But it has no additives. It tells me it's organic. It tells me how many calories it has. Does it have saturated fat? Does it have sugar? Does it have sodium? Like, it gives you a crazy amount of detail about different items so you know what you want to buy and what you don't want to buy. Like, we used it the other day. We were trying to find just some rice. Like, we want to buy some rice that's not garbage. So I scanned this one rice. It was 35 out of, I'm not going to say the brand. It was 35 out of 100. It had way too much sodium, a little bit of protein, but it was mainly a sodium issue was the problem, right? But then there was other rice that we scanned, and it was like, no, that one's got a ton of additives in it. Here it is, additives. It's got 4 additives. 2 of them are limited risk. 2 of the additives are risk-free. You can go break it all down. Like, it's crazy the amount of detail it gives you.
Okay, so, I got to ask you this. You look one up for me.
Well, I got to have the barcode. I can't just look up. Yeah, you scan the barcode. Just look up
the thing?
No, you just. Maybe I can. I can try here. Okay, go. What's it called?
Oreos. I want to know where Oreos score on this whole thing.
All right. Oreos are here. Here we are. Are you ready? You ready for Oreos?
Okay, hit me.
It got a 0 out of 100. It is very bad. It's got 7 additives in it. 1 additive is high risk. 2 additives are limited risk. It's got 14 grams of sugar, so it's categorized as too sweet. It has 160 calories, so it says it's too caloric. It's got 2 grams of saturated fat, so it's too fatty. And it's got 130 milligrams of sodium, so it says it has too much sodium. So it fails like literally every possible test it fails
I
miserably.
was wondering if I could find something, get you to find something that had a 0, and
yeah, that's
right
0
out of the gate.
For the
0.
additives, you can go into it, by the way. So the additive that it says is high risk is calcium phosphates. Then I can tap into calcium phosphates and I can understand why it says that that's high risk. It's a texturizing agent. It's a mineral whose intake exceeds recommendations and has it says it can disrupt bone mineralization and have harmful effect on kidneys. I mean, like it goes into crazy amounts of detail. So if you want to eat healthy, this is a great app for you. If you want to be blissfully ignorant, do not buy this app. Do not use this. It will ruin your day. So.
It looks like is it a free app?
Yeah, it's a free app. Yeah, no, it's a free app. And I can't, I mean, maybe I'm the product because it knows what I'm scanning for whatever reason.
Right.
And that's somehow beneficial. I don't know. But you can save like favorites in it. It has a history. Like it's fantastic. So I'm loving it. And you can use it, I think, also for like skincare products and stuff too.
So it looks like there's a premium mode as well, where you get a few more things like
but
offline
I think
mode. And
somehow I activated premium mode without paying for it. So I'm not exactly sure what premium mode entails. But apparently I'm a premium member now for having used the app 2 times. So
okay,
go figure.